Today I will explain about 4-bar chain mechanism velocity diagram using relative velocity method. So the given data in a 4-bar chain ABCD, AD is fixed and is 150 mm long. The crank AB is 40 mm long and rotates at 120 rpm clockwise, while the link CD is 80 mm, oscillates about D. BC and AD are of equal length. Find the angular velocity of the link CD and when the angle BAD equal to 60 degree. So first you just write down the given data. So given data is NBA is 120 rpm. So from this you can find out omega BA. So omega BA is 2 pi n BA by 60. So if you are applying here, so omega BA equal to 2 pi NBA by 60. So by applying this value, so 2 pi into 120 by 60. So you will get that 12.568 radians per second. So now the length of the link AB. So AB equal to 40 mm. So everything you just convert into standard units. So I am converting into meters. So the length of the link AB is 40 mm. So it is 0.04 mm. Then from the question you just take down the remaining things. So BAD angle is 60 degrees. And then link CD equal to 80 mm. So it becomes that 0.08 meters. So you have to multiply with 10 to the power of minus 3. Then AD and BC are of equal lengths. So that is equal to so the AD value is 150 mm long. So AD equal to BC now. This is equal to 0.0. So AD and BC are of equal length. So AD link length is given in the problem 150 mm long. So multiply with this 10 power minus 3. So AD and BC has that 0.15 meter of length. Okay, so now we need to draw the space diagram for the given diagram. So space diagram you have to shoot a scale. So scale 1 centimeter of length equal to, so everything is 150 mm and 80 mm, 40 mm and 150 mm. So I am taking that 25 meter, 20. So better it is. So while converting it makes that very simple. So 20 mm of 1 centimeter of scale I am taking. So now I am taking this particular values and I am using here. So AD is the fixed link. AD is the fixed link. So it has that 150 mm of length. So 150 mm I am taking here 150 by 20. So 150 mm of link length. So it comes that 150 by 20, 75 mm, that is 7.5 mm. So this point I am taking as A and this point I am taking as D. This is the fixed link. So I am giving this cross lines for indicating the fixed link. Then later take 60 degree of angle because BAD is 60 degree. So mark this 60 degree. Mark this 60 degree. So now drag this, draw this line, and AB carries 40 mm. So 40 by 20. So you will get that 2 centimeters or 20 mm. So it is. This is the point you have to mark this. Then later erase this excess lines. So now it is, you have to mark the point C. So A and B, D marked. Now we need to mark the point C. Now BC is equal to AD, so it is 150 mm. So using the scale 1 centimeter equal to 20 mm, so you'll get that 7.5 centimeters or 75 mm. So take that value and now mark this as an arc. And now from this CD has that 80 mm. So 80 by 20, it comes that 4 centimeter or 40 mm. So it is 40 mm. So it has that. You have to mark from D. Mark from D. So this one is the point C. So now join all the points together. You will get a 4-bar chain mechanism space diagram. So this is usually called space diagram by mentioning the links with respect to some particular scale. So this is the required space diagram. Finishing of the space diagram. So we need to calculate VBA. So already we have found that omega BA is 12.568, and then you have the relation that linear velocity is equal to angular velocity into link length. So here VBA equal to RBA into omega BA. So RBA is nothing but link length of the AB. So AB equal to 40 mm. So that is 0.04 meter we need to apply here. 0.04 into omega BA is 12.568. So apply this 12.568. So then finally you will get that 0.503 meter per second. So this is the initial value of VBA or omega. BA is fixed length. So we can take this as VB as the linear velocity for the link B. So from this we need to initiate the velocity diagram. So this is the required space diagram. So from the space diagram we need to take the velocity diagram as this is the reference to draw the velocity diagram. So now while drawing the velocity diagram, so we need to fix a scale again. So based on the velocity obtained for this VB link, so we need to fix the scale. So 1 centimeter equal to 0.1 meter per second I am taking as a scale now. So using this we need to start the velocity diagram. So while starting the velocity diagram, already I said that velocity is always perpendicular to the link. So then these are the two note points. That is, first one is velocity is always perpendicular to the link. This is the first condition. The next one is fixed link always taken as a point. In velocity diagram. So here if you are considering this fixed link, so AD is the fixed link. So AD is taken as a simple point here. So while taking this AD also, so A comma D we are taking, and in which direction we need to draw this particular line. So in the problem it is clearly given that the link AB rotates in clockwise direction. So here we need to mention this clockwise direction. So if AB is rotating in clockwise direction, there is a perpendicular line like this you need to draw. So perpendicular line. So you just draw this perpendicular line for this AB link. So this is nothing but your VB. So VB is how much? 0.503 meter per second. So this is the direction to start the velocity diagram. So how can we start here? So either you can drag this line as it is like this down, or otherwise use the drafter and drag this, or simply fix this particular position and then make here to draw. So here, for simplified purpose, I am starting here itself and I am simply dragging this line directly here to avoid mistakes. So simply I am dragging here in a light manner and then mark in this point I am marking this particular fixed link A, D. So I have taken already the scalars and then now erasing this excess lines and all simply. So I am erasing this. So then later over. So this one A, D I marked here. So from A to B, VB value is 0.503. I have taken that how much 1 centimeter equal to 0.1 meter per second. So I may get that 0.5 means 5 centimeter. So exactly I am taking 5 centimeter. 503 it is. So I am avoiding this 03. I am taking simply VB is 0.5 meter per second. So this is the point B. So in a velocity diagram, each and every point is mentioned with small letters. So in a space diagram, every point is mentioned with capital letters. And now we need to consider or we need to find out the remaining link velocities. So always I told you that velocity is perpendicular to the link. So now AD is the fixed point. B point we found with respect to the given velocity. Now we need to go for this BC link. So if you are taking this BC link, so perpendicular to this BC link, whatever the line you are getting, so that is your link velocity. So now I am drawing this in this way. So this is the link velocity of VBC. So this same line you just drag it in this way directly like this and now mark the line here. So for to get in a simplest way, better use the drafter. So for these type of questions in the university exam itself, they will give the drawing sheet. So in the drawing sheet you can fix your drafter and then you can do your problem like this. So I have dragged this and so this is VBC line. So now from A we have drawn this B line, VB line. From B we have drawn this VBC link velocity. So now CD. So CD for this CD also. So this is the perpendicular line. So for this link CD, so take a perpendicular line. So by matching this black line, we will get directly the perpendicular line here. So this is perpendicular like this. So now already we have the D point. So from this D point, so take this position as it is and drag it like this. Simply very slowly you have to drag like this. Yes, so this is velocity of CD. So it will complete in this way. So always the velocity diagram, it should be a closed polygon. So it should not be an open one. So polygons, so velocity diagram or acceleration diagram, it is a closed polygon. That is a condition to draw this velocity diagram. Okay. Yes, after finishing off this particular velocity diagram, so in the problem they are asked about that angular velocity of the link CD. So angular velocity if you need VCD value. So from this diagram measure this VCD value. So measure this VCD value. So while measuring it comes that nearly 3.7. So that value is nothing but VCD value. So 3.7 into 0.1. So VCD from the diagram, VCD from the diagram, VCD equal to 0.1 into 3.7 centimeters. So it comes that 0.37 meter per second. So we know the relation that VCD equal to RCD dot omega CD. So RCD link length is 80 mm, that is 0.08 meter. So from this, if you are deriving this, omega CD equal to VCD by RCD. So from this we can get this. So omega CD equal to, so VCD is 0.37, that divided by RCD is 0.08 meters. So by calculating this, we will get the angular velocity of CD. So from this, 4.625 radians per second is the velocity, angular velocity of the link CD. Solve the problem is over.